Let's unbox some products Yeelight sent me. Starting by light bars, they comes 2x2 and are compatible with Razer Chroma. The box includes the manual as well as the 2 light bars, 2 round stands and power socket adapters with power cable. The bars are made out a soft metallic fabric and quickly plug into the brackets. The main one has the music sync button and 2 connectors as well as the powering button, where the second one has just the USB-C connector. They are very bright. They also have a nice underglow and backlighting. You can also attach a headset holder to make it pops out on your setup. Now for the smart RGB cubes. The main one come with the cube as well as powering accessories and the magnetic plate, which is very soft, heavy, and overall has a great quality. Now, the secondary cubes also comes with a manual and are magnetic, then you can assemble the 4 easily. Everything is controllable on Yeelight Station app, from the RGB modes to the clock mode. That looks really great. You can also create your own design on it. Thanks to Yeelight for sending these.